The hidden gates, beyond the sun's gaze. You know this story. Sunlight comes up, plants get busy, breathing in carbon dioxide and exhaling life-giving oxygen. That's photosynthesis. It's the daytime showstopper. But what about when the sun goes down? The lights are off, the stage is dark. Does the plant just stop everything? Absolutely not. Tonight, we are going to uncover the secret life of plant breathing after sunset. Plant breathing at night. Our story is about the unsung heroes of plant life, stomata. These are tiny pores, like structures, usually on the underside of the leaf. During the day in most plants, they're wide open to suck in carbon dioxide. But at night, in your typical C3 or C4 plant, you'd expect them to clamp shut. Why? To conserve water. Opening your pores in the dark means you lose precious water vapor, or transpire, with no photosynthesis payoff. That's inefficient, right? So here's the mystery. If they're supposed to be closed, why do studies show that many plants still have nighttime stomatal conductance, meaning their pores are still slightly active? And for some amazing plants, they actually do the opposite. Nocturnal adaptations. A world of surprises. What's the secret behind this nocturnal gas exchange? Let's meet the water-saving rock stars, chem plants, which stands for crassulacean acid metabolism. Think cacti, succulents, and pineapple. They live in brutal, dry climates. These plants pull a brilliant switcheroo. They open their stomata only at night. They breathe in carbon dioxide when it's cool and humid, minimizing water loss. They temporarily store this carbon as an acid, like bottling up carbon dioxide in a nighttime container. When the harsh sun rises, they close their stomata tight and use that stored carbon dioxide for photosynthesis during the day. Water conservation is their critical secret. But what about the rest? Even non-chem plants can lose up to 5 to 30% of their daily water at night through partially open stomata. Why? It's not just a mistake. Scientists think this slight opening is crucial for cellular maintenance. A little transpiration helps move essential nutrients like calcium up from the roots to the leaves, critical for cell wall repair. That happens in the dark. Root-to-shoot communication. It's a way for the plant's roots to talk to the leaves, signaling water status even when the sun is gone. The internal clock. Circadian rhythms of stomata. The biggest reveal is the plant's internal alarm clock. The circadian rhythm. Stomata aren't just reacting to light and dark. They're governed by a 24-hour biological schedule, just like we are. In a lab where the light is always on, a plant's stomata will still open and close on a rough 24-hour cycle. This rhythm is driven by internal molecular gears, specific genes that anticipate the sun. This is vital for anticipating dawn. The stomata will begin a progressive pre-opening a few hours before sunrise. They're getting ready to hit the ground running the instant light hits the leaf, maximizing precious carbon dioxide uptake and efficiency. Hormonal dance. The hormone abscisic acid, often called the stress hormone, plays a major role, fine-tuning the closure at night, especially during drought. The plant's internal clock even dictates the sensitivity of the stomata to abscisic acid. Future insights: Stomata in a changing world. Understanding the nocturnal life of stomata isn't just cool biology, it's key to our future. Climate change means hotter, drier nights, which could lead to disastrous nocturnal water loss for crops. Researchers are now focused on engineering plant resilience. By better understanding the circadian clock and the genetic controls for nighttime stomatal efficiency, we could potentially breed or modify plants to close their pores tighter when they should, or to better utilize that small nighttime opening for nutrient transport. The hidden gates of the leaf are a frontier in sustainable agriculture. The silent, subtle workings of a plant in the dark might hold the key to unlocking the next generation of crops that can thrive in a warmer, tougher world. The night may be dark, but the life of a plant is anything but silent. From desert succulents to your backyard rose, these tiny pores are working overtime. What plant adaptation should we explore next? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the secret science around us.